know, some people apply it and some people don't. But if it's in a lease that they're not going to apply it, I'm not going to do it. What the fuck do you think I'm lying for? But why would I have to lie about a refrigerator and stove? What the fuck? That is the dumbest shit to lie about. Girl, these people be crazy. You think I want to spend my money on a refrigerator and stove? Out of all the things that I motherfucking need in this world, I could have said I needed some money for something else. A fucking couch, which I do need some money for a couch. But a refrigerator and stove, that is like the most dumbest shit to lie about. Hell yeah, I need a refrigerator and stove. Girl, should I wish I didn't have to get no refrigerator and stove? I really do. Cause last time I was in my place, I asked them, do they have to reply to refrigerator and stove? They said yes. Now they saying at this place, if it's not a new lease, it's not. I don't mind getting no used one, but I don't want to get no basic white one. I want to at least, if it's gonna be a white one, at least let it be. At least let it be the one with the damn water and the ice maker on it. The double drawers. Yeah, I plan on keeping it. So the house, after I leave this house, I'm buying me a house. So, but when I buy me a house, I'm gonna use the rest of the money that I got from the lenders to get me one of those refrigerators that got the I can draw on. But even if I don't get one of those, if I could just get a really big one with the freezer drawers and shit to go to it, I spend $2,000 on a refrigerator. Why not? A really good one. Yeah. Oh. I'll show y'all the chicken and I'm going to go watch my Animal Planet so I can go to bed. I'm tired. That damn pill is still in my system. And it's horrible. You didn't see my face without the filter? Let my worship rise. There it is. This is my face without the filter. Like a sweet perfume. I pour my love all over you. It's clearing up, right? Is my face clearing up? It is, right? Period. Let me put it big. I've been using that too much soap. I had to get in the light because if it's dark, it's gonna look crazy. Let me see it in the light. You know, it's dark skin women need lights. Okay, well, whatever. Believe what you want, girl. I ain't got nothing to prove to you. This is my life. Like a sweet perfume. I know what I need. I'm a grown ass woman. Yeah, I'm frying chicken. But I wish I didn't have to get no refrigerator. So let's see. In real life, I wish that I didn't. You know how much money I would save? I'm gonna save like $800. You know what I'm saying? At least $600 off not getting no damn refrigerator. You think I want to spend my money on that shit, girl? Dubai. I don't want to. Even if somebody gave it to me for free, I wouldn't want to spend my money on the shit because I could be using that money to get something else. Yeah. I don't want to spend my money on no damn refrigerator. So I'm almost done though. I ain't seen no wreck. I just hear them in the wall. I just like sleeping in my van home. Most likely when I move all my shit from upstairs and clean my mattress, I'm gonna be sleeping back in the house. But I have to clean my mattress. I don't got no credit card. Oh, that's probably something I could do. I can get this Discover card, but it's a secure account, so I gotta pay $200 to get it. It's like I pay them $200. They mail me out a card with $200. Like what? That is that dumb? Do you think that's dumb? Mm, mm. I won't. Right there. Real food. Real chicken. Tired of this damn fake chicken and make sure to stop. All right, I'll do it tomorrow. But Rochelle said I should just go to ABC warehouse. But you think they approve me though? They don't approve everybody at ABC warehouse, right? Okay. I'm out, y'all. I want to eat my food and watch this Animal Planet. I love Animal Planet. I go to sleep with Animal Planet every night. Come on, Busy. But this the chicken though. All right, you guys.